वेलकम टू एजुकेटिंग इंडिया।
यह वीडियो इंग्लिश में है और इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में देखने के लिए आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई लिंक पर क्लिक करें। लोन एट 0% इंटरेस्ट। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल लर्न हाउ टू गेट लोन ऑफ lakhs at just 0% and that also 100% working. So let's start now. Disclaimer, you can read it later on. This is based on my personal experience and there's no intention of playing with any banks or e-wallet companies terms and conditions. This is not any type of magic, it's just a trick which keeps your money rotating as long as you want. You require three things for that. First one is a bank account, which could be of any bank. Second is an e-wallet account, which I will suggest Paytm are the best one. And the third is credit card, which could be of any bank. These three things are mandatory. Please take all the dates very seriously and have much focus on them. We'll take an example that you have a credit card which has a limit of 2 lakhs. Limit equals to 2 lakhs. Suppose billing cycle of your card is 10th of every month. As I told before that you have to take the dates very seriously. So put it into your mind that billing cycle of your card is 10th of every month. According to NCPI, an e-wallet account cannot have a limit greater than 20,000, but you have an option to complete eKYC and avail a limit of 1 lakh. So I would suggest you to get KYC done. So the very first step of this method is transferring money from credit card to your bank account via Paytm. This is to be done just after the billing date. Suppose your billing date to be 10th of every month, you have to do this transaction of 12th of January. Please note that you have to load only half of your credit limit of your credit card, that is considering your credit card limit to be 2 lakhs, you have to load maximum amount of 1 lakh. Now we will learn how to load and transfer money via Paytm.
We'll open Paytm, click on add money and fill the amount. Suppose I am filling 100 here and click on add money again. Fill your credit card details here and click on pay now. Wait for the OTP to arrive in your phone. After writing one-time password, click on submit OTP and leave on this page. Here you can see the payment of 100 is received by Paytm and have been added to wallet. Now tap on send money to bank, click on transfer, enter the amount. Suppose I'm entering here 100 here and enter the account details and click on send. An amount is transferred successfully to bank account and I've received the message from the bank also.
Now you have successfully transferred the amount from your credit card to your bank account. So you can invest this amount of 1 lakh anywhere you want, and you can also withdraw this amount in form of cash through ATM or pay to someone else via net banking. Now you may be worrying about the bill. Just relax. You will not have to pay any such bills. Just watch the full video. Suppose that the billing cycle of your card is 10th of every month, which I mentioned before. Now, credit card statement of 1 lakh will arrive on 10th of February with due date of 1st March. Step 2, the final step, and this is very important step, listen carefully. Start. This is the main part of this plan. This is to be done between 12th Feb and 1st March, but as soon as possible. I suggest you to do it on 12th or 13th of Feb. This is very simple. You just need to log into your same e-wallet account in which you did the previous transaction on 12th January. Just log into that account and load 1 lakh rupees and raise a reversal request against the previous transaction which you did on 12th January. If it's looking to be so complex, relax. I will explain you through Paytm.
Open Paytm again, click on passbook section, click on previous transaction and tap need help. Select any issue randomly.
Please revert back this transaction back to the source from which it was loaded.
No need to upload any pictures, just click on submit.
Then after, repeat the third step on 12th or 13th of every month till you want to continue the loan. You will not have to pay your loan until you stop this cycle. Enjoy your loan. What's the trick exactly? In simple words, you have withdrawn half credit limit of your card and the remaining half you are rotating again and again in every billing cycle. In more simple words, you have withdrawn half credit limit of your card and you are paying the bill of that half by the remaining half credit limit by using e-wallets like Paytm. Suppose this is your credit card which consists of 2 lakh credit limit and the blue part is the 1 lakh and the green part consists of 1 lakh. Now blue part is that part which you have utilized or invested somewhere else, and the green part is that part which you are using to pay the bill of blue part every month by the method called rotation. You can only use this trick to take loan maximum up to the half of your credit limit. For large amounts, you need to get credit card from different banks and more number of e-wallets account, which is very easy nowadays. Every credit card company have different timelines for billings and due dates. Kindly go according to those. All dates mentioned in this video are given just for an example purpose and for better explanation. Billing and due dates timelines are according to SBI card powered by State Bank of India. Enjoy your loan at 0% interest. How to close the loan? Whenever you want to close the loan, you just need to stop that cycle and just pay the bill of that month by your own money instead of reversal cycle. What's the difference between credit card, debit card, and ATM card? Some may have bit confusion between credit card and debit card. What is credit limit? And what is due date? And what is billing date? You can know about these things by clicking the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching the video.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। धन्यवाद।